A machine that sounds like thunder, moves like lightning, and costs more than a private island. The $10 million Pagani Zonda isn't just a car, it's rolling art. Every curve tells a story of obsession. Every roar speaks the language of speed. This isn't about transport, it's about owning something so rare, so perfect, that the world stops just to watch it pass. Born from an obsession, not a business plan. Horacio Pagani didn't set out to create just another supercar. His dream was to design a masterpiece that could rival the likes of Ferrari and Lamborghini, but with his own signature touch. He poured years into studying materials, aerodynamics, and engine performance. Not because he wanted profit, but because he wanted perfection. The Zonda was the result of one man's relentless vision. It wasn't built for the masses, it was crafted for those who could feel the soul of a machine, the V12 heart that defines it. Underneath its sculpted carbon fiber skin beats a Mercedes-AMG 7.3-liter, naturally aspirated V12. This isn't just an engine, it's a living, breathing force of nature. Producing over 750 horsepower in some variants, it launches the Zonda from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds. The sound alone is worth the price tag, a deep, spine-tingling roar that transforms into a scream as it climbs through the revs. It's an engine that doesn't just power the car, it powers your pulse. Design that's sculpted, not assembled. Every inch of the Zonda is hand-built, every curve deliberate. Horacio Pagani once said he treated carbon fiber like an artist treats marble. From the long, low nose to the high-mounted quad exhaust, the Zonda's design blends function with raw beauty. Its lines aren't there just for show. Every vent, wing, and angle serves a purpose in controlling airflow and stability at insane speeds. This is why the Zonda doesn't just look fast, it is fast, even when standing still. The luxury inside matches the speed outside. Step inside and you're in a cockpit designed for both comfort and adrenaline. There's no plastic here, only the richest leather, polished aluminum, and exposed carbon fiber. The steering wheel feels like it was carved to fit your hands alone. Even the gauges are miniature works of art, reminding you that the Zonda is as much a luxury item as it is a performance machine. It's an environment where every detail whispers, you're in something extraordinary. A price tag that's more than just numbers. The $10 million price is not simply about speed. It's about rarity, craftsmanship, and a story you can't buy anywhere else. Some Zondas are one-offs, built to the exact wishes of a single owner. Others are so limited that only a handful exist worldwide. This is why they don't depreciate, they appreciate. Owning one isn't spending money, it's placing it in something that could be even more valuable tomorrow. Rarity that makes it a legend. Pagani stopped producing the Zonda years ago, yet special commissions still appear. Each time one is announced, it makes headlines. You're not just buying a car, you're buying access to one of the most exclusive clubs in the automotive world. It's a symbol recognized by collectors, enthusiasts, and anyone who understands that true luxury lies in the things you can't simply order online. The driving experience few will ever feel. Driving the Zonda isn't like piloting a modern, computer-controlled hypercar. It's raw, mechanical, and connected. Every gear shift, every turn, feels like an extension of you. There's no heavy digital filtering, just the pure, uncut sensation of road, tire, and engine. On an open stretch, it's more than transportation. It's a conversation between man and machine, one you never want to end. Why it still matters today. In an age of electric hypercars and advanced driver aids, the Zonda remains a legend because it represents the peak of analog performance. No gimmicks, no hybrid tricks, just power, beauty, and craftsmanship. It's proof that perfection isn't always about keeping up with technology. Sometimes it's about creating something so pure that it becomes timeless. The $10 million Pagani Zonda isn't just rare, it's unforgettable. It's proof that passion, artistry, and engineering can merge into something truly timeless. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more luxury legends and automotive icons. The next story might just be about a machine even rarer than this.